Welcome to Doba tutorial. Today we will tell you about Doba PrePay, what it is, why and how you can set up a prepay account, and how to add funds to the account. We'll tell you about all these in 2 videos. And this is part 1. In this video, we'll talk about the Doba PrePay basics and how to set up a prepay account. First, what is Doba PrePay? Well, Doba PrePay is a virtual account. You may deposit money to this account before you place and pay for your orders on Doba. Then you can use your prepay account balance to pay for your orders, and enjoy 3% off instantly. Is that great? Next, let's see how to set up the prepay account. It's quick and easy. Please log into your retailer account. Click Wallet. Then click Prepay. And click Add Prepay Now. Here, please choose your authentication type, tax ID, or driver's license. If you choose tax ID, then please enter the ID. If you choose driver's license, then please enter the license number. And select your state. Then please read the terms and conditions carefully. Finally, please check this, and click the Submit button. Then, you just have to wait for a day or 2 for Doba's validation. If the info you submitted is okay, you'll definitely be approved and notified by an email. So please check your email later. If you don't have tax ID or driver's license, please just choose tax ID, and enter 1234567889. Then please contact your account manager. He or she will validate your application manually. Anyway, after the account is set up, you may add funds to it. We'll tell you this in the next video. This is the end of part 1, please continue to watch part 2. Thank you.